I just share with you? Greetings, y'all. I just want to share something with you. This is my third time ordering these, and they are rooms. I love this. So again, this is my third time ordering, so the packaging has upgraded. I love this sticker, the Tree of Life. And I also love the butterflies on the wrapping paper. That is so cool. I did receive this last time as well. It says magical items, handmade in the heart of England. And if I order from them again, I can get a 10% discount. I probably could have gotten a discount, but I don't know. I think I may have gotten rid of everything. But meet the Moon Goddess Garden team. Thank you so much for supporting our small business. We are a very small team of just two, myself and Rebecca, and my sister Rebecca, and my sister Naomi. Myself, Rebecca, and my sister Naomi. I had to bring that back. The vast majority of our items are either handmade or hand decorated by ourselves, and we try to put in as much care and attention as we can. We really love what we do, and we hope you do too. If you are happy with your order, please leave feedback for us, as it is really helps. Let me read that again. My apologies. Must be Mercury retrograde messing with my speech. If you are happy with your order, please leave feedback for us, as it really helps. If you have any concerns, please contact us, Moon Goddess Garden at yahoo.co.uk. And that's Rebecca and her sister Naomi. I love working with wood, either carving, pyrography, or painting, but I'm just as at home with herb loves, spells, and green witchery. Naomi, being a sea witch, I have an affinity with anything ocean-based. I love making jewelry, candles, potions, sewing, and all forms of art. I really don't want to remove the sticker. And I see that it looks like I can slide it out, so that is what I'm going to do. Let me see. Okay, and here are my rooms. Handcrafted. moongoddessgarden.com. I did purchase these off of Etsy, so they have an Etsy shop. Okay, and I love that it comes with this set of instructions. Again, I gave the other two sets away, one to my cousin and one to a young lady who is on her spiritual journey. Okay, and this just tells you how to read each room and what they all mean. An explanation for each one. And it does come, it's a different little bag too. It has the little it has this little bead on the drawstring part. I don't remember that before, although I could be wrong. I think it was just tied in a knot. And again, there's the card. And I love the bag it comes in. So they hand make all these things. Oh, it looks like before if I remember correctly, because again, I gave them away, but I want to say before maybe this was painted on, but it looks like this may be stitched on this time. I love that. I know, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it is still painted on. But again, this is handcrafted. So they buy the bags and they put the symbol on there, which is awesome. And here is the wrapping paper with the runes actually in there. These are just a great way to heighten your intuitive gifts. Okay. And let's go ahead and move this out the way. I'm a little extra sometimes. So pay me no mind. Okay. So here are the runes, and you can see the different symbols. Oh, pardon me. The goddess of fertility. I love these. I want to say that the stones I ordered last time, maybe they were darker. But I remember when I gave the first set to my cousin, I immediately ordered another set for myself. And then I ended up giving those away. I want to say they were on darker stones, but I love these stones as well. So you can see, let me put the light on so we can get a better. Okay, so like the first one is the Ankh, and here's the Ankh, and it says the Ankh is the Egyptian symbol of eternal life and represents life after death. So each one has a different meaning. And similar to tarot, you would basically kind of roll them like dice or shake them up like dice. And you would help someone with whatever question they have by pulling the appropriate rune for their situation. And whatever they need to know, it'll automatically come out just like in tarot. And you use your intuition to interpret the messages. All right, y'all. I hope this was helpful. Love y'all. Later.